I have made a suggestion for the page template, various modifications, and I've made a prototype in Figma. So we're starting out here. I have moved the post title up to the top bar, freeing this area just for content. Click in New, opens up the Moodle, and I've changed the custom to instead have page template because it really explains a lot better. Custom template could be anything. Page template is specific for the page. So we're just going ahead to create a template. So we have movie template up here, and also we have movie template here, and here on the bottom it says page template. It actually should say also :document. So when I hover over an area, I see the various template parts. So here we have header, content, and then footer. So I can click into any of these and modify whatever is there. I can choose then to cancel if I want to just cancel out of it. It would then just remove the template I just created and delete it. I'll go again. So this time I want to save. And let's say I was just doing some experimentations, and actually I decided not to save what I did here. So I'm just doing a discard, and it will just bring me back to where I started without any page template saved. So we're starting again. So this time I will save it, and it takes me back to post content. It shows me that I'm actually using a movie template because this shows up as one movie template part in the post content screen. Over here on the right we see movie template. It is kind of like the save setup as for public, and immediately we can click these and it will show up some options. Down here on the bottom we see that I'm using the page template for this page. We click the movie template and I'm getting this really rude pop up with various options. For instance, editing the template, creating a new, resetting back to default template, or deleting the template.